Hey all you crafty people, how are ya? Alright, now, before I move forward on this, I am separating them out. So I have one journal here and all of the elements so far that I am either working on or know that I'm going to do for this one. So I've got the 4 pages of those extra pages that I had. Then I have pulled out, these were like a banner and they spelled out something. But I got them a really reduced price because nobody wanted a banner with words on it. I guess, I don't know. So I've decided I need to use these. So I've got 2 of these that in this one. And then I had, these are Graphic 45 ones, and I have the, the die that they sell to make the mat for these. So I made one out of the music paper. Now this is still on my Facebook group, so if you want... it's a really old piece. I think, you know, right at the turn of the century, 1904, I think it was. But that, I've got that, and then I also cut one out from the paper line. So I've got those 2, and then I have a bag, and I have the same thing in the other one. So here they are. I got both of them. So then I also have a box here. Now I did, trying to get ready for all of this, some of these scraps that I had from my scrap bin and, you know, everything that I had pulled out, I went ahead and did 2 half sheets of copy paper and then just covered them with the scraps. So I have that. These are left, this is what's left over from where I cut my outlines, my die cuts out for the, tags. And so I've just stuck these in here because these aren't elements, they're just bits of paper, okay? So I have all of my bits and pieces that I didn't use up on the little scraps of paper, and I've got these. Now these are the stamps that I used. I may use them again, I may not, but I'm kind of leaving them out just in case. And then down in here is all of my metal bits and things like that. So I just kind of have that off to the side over here. But I want to go through this pack, primarily the tags, and well, let's just pull the whole thing out because it's all of a mix. It's all of a mix. Now I only have one of these, so somewhere I hope there'll be a perfect place for that. And I only have one of these. And these kind of things I only have one of. So, you know, they will go where they go. I only have one of these. It's doubled and it's got glued together, but I don't think I did that. Why would I glue 2 pieces of the same stuff together and not glue it down well either? I don't know. It makes no sense to me. We'll have to come up with some more. So I think I had gone over these 2. I'm just going to put one in one and one in the other. And I have 2 of these. I had 4 of them, but when I went back through, I didn't like the other 2. So I have 2 of these. This is just for elements. This is for elements. This, I had the, let's see, did I really... Oh, this was the Jenny Bolin Studio mini papers, so that, you know, it was reduced down just to be for smaller. So I pulled out 2 pieces of that, but that is to make elements to go in. And again, the words and such, I'm going to leave these for when I have that perfect space for them to go into. And there I have these tags, but I believe I'm going to use these tags on my other tags. I don't know. We will see. But I'm going to leave these smaller ones because so much can be done with those. But these larger ones, let's see, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now these 2 are the same, so I'm going to go ahead and put those here. I will probably do something else with these, but I just am trying to make sure. I've got 2 of these. Oh, wait a minute. These are the same. Yes, 2 of these, so those are going in. I think all the rest of the ladies and everything else I have are all different. So, I want to see, I know she's in on one of, okay, so here she is. So I'm going to put this in the other one. I don't want her twice, okay? I don't want her twice. And then on the other envelope, see now I've got her in this one. I believe she's also in this one, but so those are those 2 and these are these 2. Easy peasy, all right? Quick and easy. Easy peasy, quick and easy, isn't it? Woo-hoo! Okay, and then I'm just going to say, whoop, 1 and 1. And then here on these square pieces, which will make wonderful pockets, blah, 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 I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I have 6 of these. And let's see now. Now again, I have her, this gal, but it's this picture with this butterfly is in that one. So I'm going to go ahead and take this one and put it in there. I'm fine with that. And I have this on this, so I'm going to put this over here. So now there's 2, and then I need a third one over there. So I think I'm just going to grab one that, I think I'm going to grab this one and put that there, and then put these 3 over here. Easy peasy, quick and easy. Now these I had pulled out of that little card, little thing of cards that I had. I think I have one more. Yeah, here we go. So I have 2 of these calendars and 2 of the cards. And then I have this one and this one. And this, I think I was going to do this. I only had 1 of each of these, so I think I'll just do that. And that's easy. So now these, all of the rest of this stuff is just going to go into making more ephemera for all of that. So that cuts that tidbit down a bit. So all of this is going to just go over into my other. Now I have a topper that cuts out the pretty tops, and or I have a punch that cuts out basically this. I'm going to throw that away because I don't think I can use it. I also pulled out, I have a container that I just put all my little odds and ends. I mean, just little bits and pieces of stuff. And I went through that and just pulled out some different things to play with. And so we are ready. So I am going to pull out my papers and I'll be back in just a second.